How much traffic required to earn $100 a day by AdSense? Earning $100 a day by display advice, specifically Google AdSense, is a goal for many first-timers. Look into what required to get this done. For many people, $100 a day is a specific mark that when for many website earning enjoy to qualify as the full-time income. This is a mark where even if that not full-time income for where a person a living, it is a very solid amount of money for many life changing. Just how much does like to earn $100 a day with AdSense? The answer different for every site. However, there will also take.
Lagu